Start by adding 2 chicken breasts cut into 1-inch cubes to a bowl. Season with half teaspoon Himalayan salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon chicken seasoning. Add 3 tablespoons olive oil and mix well. For best results, let it marinate for 1 hour, but if you are in a hurry you can start cooking right away. Cook on high heat until golden brown. Add 3 tablespoons butter and 200 milliliters heavy cream and mix well. Lower the heat to medium-low, then cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Turn off heat, add half a cup grated cheddar cheese and mix until melted. Serve the chicken, pour the creamy sauce on top, garnish with chopped parsley and enjoy.